Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a really easy messy chignon hairstyle. To start, we're going to separate the front of the hair, so go from the crown to just behind the ear and then clip this away for later, and do this on both sides of the head. Next, gather all the hair to the bottom left hand corner of the neck, and we're just going to place a row of bobby pins on a slight diagonal going up the middle of the head, and then we're going to go across towards the back of the ear. Once you've got everything pinned down, it should be sort of like a semicircle shape in the bottom left hand corner. Next, gather all the hair and bring it out towards you on the left hand side, and we're going to pop a clear elastic band about 3 inches or so from the bottom. On the last pull of the elastic band, don't pull the ponytail all the way through, just create a small loop. And then all we're simply going to do is roll this towards the head and then pin along the top of that twist with a few bobby pins, using the pins underneath to anchor them onto. Add a little texture spray to the hair, and then we're going to use our fingers to pinch and pull around the crown area, just so it's not so flat. Also, we're going to pinch and pull at random sections of the chignon just to mess it up a bit. Next, release the front right hand section. Bring this round to the back of the head and twist it towards the head and lay it on top of the chignon we've created. Use a bobby pin to anchor it to the top of this chignon at either end. Apply a bit more texture spray to that twist, and then very gently pinch and pull along the length of that twist just to give it a nice messy look. Take the tail ends and just wrap them up and tuck them inside that chignon and pin them down so they don't pop out. Release that front section. I've left some sections down just to frame the face, and we're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to twist it towards the head and use a bobby pin to anchor it at the top of that chignon. Twist it all the way down and then just use another bobby pin to secure at the base. Again, add some more texture spray and pinch and pull at that twist. Wrap your tail ends around a bobby pin and then just tuck it inside that chignon. Pinch and pull at the side sections so they match the back of the hair. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.